The new terminal is going to function as a great hub for new tourism here in Cheyenne.
What it really means to Cheyenne is a true destination point.
And it's got every modern amenity that you would think of for an airport. We have free Wi-Fi, plenty of free parking. We have self-check-in kiosks. We have a TSA line that will be never longer than 5 minutes. We have a direct flight to Dallas on American Eagle, which is operated by SkyWest. It goes daily to Dallas.
For a lot of people coming off that plane, their first impression not only of Cheyenne, but Wyoming, is this facility.
It's functional but beautiful, and I think that that really speaks to who we are in Wyoming.
We want our customers not only to be the citizens of Cheyenne, but all of southeast Wyoming, and of course we're also going to have a market in the panhandle of Nebraska as well as northern Colorado.
Meeting the needs of the community, quality of life issue, economic drivers, the youth. So it's a celebration for a lot of reasons.
Become familiar with the airport, use our facilities. It's a multi-purpose facility and it's for the entire community.
I think it's going to be absolutely fantastic for our economy.
Everybody's going to be proud that this is the gateway to Cheyenne.